Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Chevy Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.